Okay, I'm putting the clutch back in, new clutch. So I first cleaned the surface off. Honestly, in theory, I'm supposed to get it machined and stuff, or check for flatness. But I'm gonna just say it looks good. I did clean it off to degrease it, and as I tell you to do. Now I'm gonna put the clutch pad back on. Pad, is that what it's called? And it tells you helpfully gearbox side on this side. It says something in German on the German part. But this is an Exedi clutch. It says look on this LUK on this pad. So I don't think there's an orientation here, but there is a centering plastic little dowel thing that fits into the spline. And it helps you keep the clutch disc in place while you put the cover back on. Once again, there doesn't appear to be a preferred orientation here. I'm going to make it says luck, it has some lettering here, I'm going to make that right side up. And then there are dowels here. There are 3 dowels on which this lines up. And the little plastic centering pin goes right through the center here. And I'm going to put it in there, hold it in place. They tell you not to drop it, intend not to. And then tighten the bolts diagonally. Got one, let's see, there's one here, and diagonally is this guy over here. Short one screw because I stripped the head of one of the screws, and I'm going to get a new one. In the meantime, I have a screw that I'm going to put in for temporarily here. It's definitely not the right one. It has a Phillips head. I'll put some Phillips head here. I won't do that. I'm going to get myself another screw, but in the meantime, this will do for purposes of holding it there. And that, I believe, is the clutch. I should now be able to take this guy out. Well, actually, I think I'll do that after I tighten all these guys.